Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, in the most efficient way, change the color of any object you want. For today's example, I want to change the color of this dress from blue to red. Let's get started. In my toolbar, I'm going to choose the quick selection tool. Make sure your brush size isn't too small or too big. I'm going to go with 25 pixels. You can manually select your dress. If you want to unselect an area, grab the minus option and just remove it. When you're done selecting, go to Select, Modify, and expand the selection. Expand it by 2 pixels. When you're happy with your selection, go to Adjustments, select Hue and Saturation. Grab the Hue slider and pick any color you want. As you can see, as I slide down or up, the color of the dress changes. I'm going with a red color. You can also play around with the saturation. And as you can see, at the edges, it's a bit rough. What I'm going to do is grab the eraser tool, put the hardness to 0, put the brush size to 20, and select the mask layer and delete the parts that I don't need. And if you need to expand the mask, grab the brush tool and just draw over it. We change the color from blue to red. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.